Have you ever caught yourself endlessly scrolling even though you're not really enjoying it? Or maybe silence makes you uncomfortable and you feel restless all the time? You might think it's laziness or just boredom, but there's a deeper reason behind it, something we can call brain rot. Brain rot isn't a disease. It's more like a warning sign, a signal that your brain is overstimulated, underchallenged, and not doing the job it was built to do. Your brain is designed to focus, to think, to solve problems. But modern life keeps bombarding it with short, fast, endless bursts of content. Videos, notifications, memes, constant stimulation. Over time, your brain adapts, but not in a helpful way. It becomes reactive, always chasing the next hit, and stops focusing deeply. The result? A mind that is busy, restless, and drained. Your thoughts feel scattered, creativity feels harder, and everyday life seems dull, almost unbearable. So, how does this happen? First, endless stimulation. There's always another video, another notification, another page to scroll. Your brain never gets a chance to pause, to reflect, to think. Second, dopamine overload. Dopamine isn't really about pleasure. It's about anticipation. Every new scroll promises something exciting, but rarely delivers. Your brain starts chasing stimulation, not satisfaction. Eventually, normal life feels flat. And third, lack of cognitive resistance. Your brain is like a muscle. If you never challenge it, if all you do is consume short, easy content, it grows weaker. Focus, attention, and deep thinking all start to fade. How do you know if this is happening to you? You might notice. You check your phone automatically, even when you didn't intend to. You can't finish videos, books, or articles. Silence feels unbearable. Thinking, planning, even simple tasks feel exhausting. This isn't laziness. It's a brain that's asking for a reset. The good news? Brain rot can be reversed. Your brain is adaptable, flexible, capable of change. This is called neuroplasticity. What you train, your brain learns the same way it learned distraction. It can learn focus again. But here's the catch. Recovery is uncomfortable. You'll need to slow down, sit with silence, and even embrace boredom intentionally. So, how do you recover? First, reduce the noise. Not forever, not completely. But give your brain space. No phone first thing in the morning. No endless scrolling before bed. Second, rebuild deep attention. Read something challenging. Watch a long video without multitasking. Finish what you start, even if it feels hard. Third, create. Don't just consume. Write. Build. Think. Speak. Creation forces the brain to organize, to slow down, to focus. And finally, protect boredom. Boredom isn't a flaw. It's where insight begins, where creativity sparks, where your mind resets. If your mind feels foggy, if focus feels impossible, if silence feels loud, you are not broken. You are overstimulated. The cure isn't more content. It's less. Less noise, more depth, more control over your attention. Take your brain back.